Good morning, everyone. Guys, do you know why we continue to live in this small world? I am sure some of you don't know uh, yet the reason, but it's not a problem because this morning I would like to share to you a very important topic that is the meaning, importance, and branches of agriculture. But guys, before you will continue watching the video, I am inviting you to subscribe to my channel if you are new and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated with my upcoming videos. And of course, if you like the video, kindly share it to your friends. All right, let us start now. Meaning of agriculture. Agriculture is considered as a science and art that deals with the production of crops and raising domesticated animals. It also includes post-harvest handling, processing, and marketing of agricultural products. When we say crops, these are plants grown for man and animal consumptions. Domesticated animals because they are not wild, of course. That's how we define or I define agriculture. Let's talk about the importance of agriculture. Agriculture is so very much important because it gives man and animals with oxygen for continuous existence. In other words, we have balanced life because of agriculture. The oxygen we derive from plants and even animals uh, contribute to our continuous existence. Another is it provides man with food, clothing, shelter, medicine, other products useful to daily life. We have also, it provides raw materials for industrial production. The products that we are using today actually came from the process of industrial production, but without raw materials, this will not come into reality. The last one is it provides income to family and government. That is very self-explanatory. Next is branches of agriculture. Let us take the first one, agronomy. When we say agronomy, it is a branch of agriculture dealing with the production of field crops. It includes growing of cereal crops and root crops or tuber crops. It consists of different branches. We have soil science. It deals with the study of the nature properties and the conservation of soil. We have also plant pathology. It deals with the study of plant diseases and their control. Next is entomology or plant entomology. It deals with the study of insect pests and their control. Plant breeding deals with the improvement of varieties of plants through hybridization. We have, of course, cereal crop productions like corn, cereal, wheat, and other cereals. And we have root and tuber crops production. This includes the production of root crops like kamote, tubers, like gabi. So these are the different branches of agronomy. Another branch is horticulture. When we are talking about horticulture, it's a branch of agriculture that deals with the production of fruit, vegetables, plantation, and ornamental crops. This includes different branches. We have one is pomology. When you are talking about pomology, it deals with the production of fruit trees. Fruit trees are trees bearing fruits. Example, mango, sour sap, uh, and many other fruit crops. Then we have olericulture. It deals with the production of vegetables like eggplant, bitter gourd, uh, and so many other vegetables used for or grown for our consumption. Then we have also plantation crop culture. The plantation crop culture, this deals with the production of ornamental crops. No, no. Of crops grown for industrial purposes. It's not ornamental crops, but it's growing of crops for industrial purposes. Example of this are abaca, pineapple, and rubber. So, abaca, pineapple, and rubber are raw materials. Then it will be processed industrially, and there will be output coming from that. We have also floriculture. Floriculture deals with the production of ornamental plants and cut flowers. Ornamental plants are plants to include the cut flowers, which are grown for its aesthetic value. Example, San Francisco, San Ramon, Bougainvillea, Gumamela, and many others. Another branch is animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is a branch of agriculture dealing with the raising of domesticated animals like livestock and poultry. It includes, of course, livestock husbandry and poultry husbandry. This might be general branches of animal husbandry because there are other specific or sub branches under livestock husbandry and poultry husbandry. Now, when you are talking about livestock husbandry, it deals with the raising of ruminant and non-ruminant domesticated animals. When I say ruminant animals, these are animals with a stomach divided into four compartments and chewing a cud considering regurgitated, particularly digested food. Example of which are cow, carabao, goat, and sheep. Non-ruminant animals are animals with single compartment stomach. Example, swine, hog or pig, dogs, and cats. And we have also poultry husbandry. Um, this deals with the raising of domesticated fowls for meat, eggs, and aesthetic purposes. Fowls are warm-blooded, egg-laying, feathered vertebrates with forelimbs modified to form wings. Example of which are chicken, ducks, turkeys, quails, and figures. Another branch is fishery. It is a branch of agriculture that deals with culturing, capturing, or collecting and preserving of fishes and other aquatic animals. It includes branches such as fish culture, fish capture, and fish preservation. When we say fish culture, sorry, it deals with the cultivation of fishes and other aquatic animals. It includes culture of fishes in ponds, pens, cages, tanks, aquarium, and bamboo pools, both in fresh, brackish, and marine waters. We have also fish capture. It is a branch of fishery that deals with the catching of fishes and collecting of other aquatic products. It includes techniques such as the use of spear gun, set gill net, fishing line, fish coral, and basnig, and many others. There are so many types of fishing gears used in capturing fishes. Then we have fish preservation. Fish preservation deals with the processing of fish and other aquatic products for future consumption. It includes techniques such as drying or dehydration, icing or freezing, canning, pickling, and smoking. And now there are several technologies used in fish preservation. We have also forestry. Um, Forestry is a branch of agriculture dealing with the protection of forestries and wildlife. It consists of branches. This might be few to remember because there are so many branches of forestry as claimed by many authors in particularly in the field of forestry. But based on my research, I just gathered six branches of forestry. But as what I've said, there are so many branches of forestry, and these branches which I will mention to you are basic branches of fishery. So let us take the first one, that is serviculture. Serviculture refers to a certain aspect to theory and practice of raising forest, crops, methods of raising tree, their growth and aftercares up to the time of final harvesting. In simple term, it is, or words, it is the cultivation of forestries. That's how simple. Another branch of forestry is agroforestry. Agroforestry is the integration of forests into agricultural systems in order to optimize the production and positive effects within the system and minimize negative side effects of farming. Then we have also forest mensuration. In simple language, it is the measurement of forest produce. However, it is defined as the determination of dimensions, height, diameter, volume, etc. from volume, age, and increment of the single tree, uh, stands, or whole woods, either standing or after filling. It concerns with linear area, volume, and weight measurement. We have also forest management. This is the practical application of science, techniques, and economics to a forest estate for the production of some wanted course result. We have also forest utilization. It is a branch of forestry concerning with the harvesting, conversion, disposal, and use of forest produce or forest produce. And of course, we will not forget wildlife conservation, or uh, sometimes environmental conservation. This is the protection of wildlife and forest. And um, there's another type, that is um, environmental um, conservation, which is which might also be included as part, or as a branch of forestry. So these are all about for this morning. Thank you very much for watching the video. Uh, Thank you, and God bless you all.